Only 16 students are joined till now. So anybody, please confirm that whether you are able to see the AutoCAD software screen or not. Listen to that. I have already displayed the Cotter joint diagram. This is the Cotter joint diagram which you have to draw in the software. These two have displayed side by side. All of you are able to see these two or not, please confirm. Any student, please respond quickly. Are you able to see the AutoCAD screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you. So this is the Cotter joint. So already you know what is the purpose of Cotter joint, and already you have drawn this in your machine drawing course. Okay, the same thing we will draw here using the AutoCAD software. So this is the AutoCAD graphic user interface. So once you have opened the software, the first command you have to use is units command. So I'm checking the units. So units are in millimeters. If it's not in millimeters, you have to set it in millimeters. Okay, because the entire drawing we are going to draw in millimeters only. Click on OK. So the next command is you have to set the limits. So I'm going for limits command, and I'm setting the limits based on this diagram. So I want to take the die of the shaft D as 30. This is 30 maximum. This will be around. This is around 210. This total is around 500 by 500 limits I'll take. Okay. So based on this 30 and maximum, it will be 500. That's why lower corner is 0, 0. Upper corner I'll take 500, 500. Okay. Something in this way you can set the limits. So after setting the limits, to fit the limits into that screen, you have to use zoom command. Z enter, A enter. In this way, you can activate the zoom command, or otherwise here in the zoom toolbar, you'll have option called as zoom all. This zoom all option you can select. So now the entire limits are fitted into the screen, display screen. Now you can start your drawing. Okay. So here, if you observe this drawing, shaft diameter is D. Up to that, after some distance, it is extended to 1.3D. So this 1.3D onwards, this sleeve portion is started. So that's why. So I'll start drawing this half of the portion, and another half I can get it by using the mirror command. So that's why I'll start drawing this portion. So this particular diameter here is 1.3D. Just take D as 30 and start doing the calculation. 1.3 into 30 means 39. Okay. Take the line command, and somewhere here you can start randomly. And I want to restrict my mouse to horizontal and vertical directions. For that, you can use the ortho on and off. You can use F8 function key, or you can toggle here. Okay. Here you are getting the display. You can switch between on and off using F8, or you can directly click here using your mouse. Now this is in off mode now. Your mouse is getting all the 360 degrees. Now I want to turn this on. Click here. Now it is restricted to only horizontal and vertical directions. Keep this in vertically upward direction and type 39. So 39 diameter I want. So type 39, press enter. Okay, 39 you are getting there. Next here, if you observe, here to here, this total distance I want to draw there. So this half of the distance from here to here is 4D. Total is 8D, half is 4D. 4D plus this small distance is 0.4D. Okay. So that you can calculate here, 4 into 30. Okay, plus bracket starts 0.4 into 30. So the total you are getting here as 132. So now you enter 132 here and type 132 value and press enter button. Now you are getting 132 length there. Now downwards again 39. Then directly you can click here, click this endpoint using mouse, or you can type 132 again. That is your choice, and directly clicking that endpoint. So using snaps, you can use this center button for zoom in and zoom out. Using this center scroll button, you can zoom in and zoom out, or otherwise you can use this toolbar. Here zoom real time option is there. Go to this real time option and you can zoom in, zoom out like this. Okay, right click and you can select exit, or you can use the escape button. Okay. So this half of the portion I am drawing, this portion I have drawn. After that, I want to draw this bottom portion. This bottom portion I want to draw up to here. The small distance is 0.4D. That small distance I want to calculate from here. So I want to draw the center line. First I want to draw the center line. So from this midpoint, you can draw the line like this. Now this appears as a solid line. You want to convert this as center line means just go to properties and go to line type, click on other. Then here you will get the dialog box, line type manager dialog box you will get. Then here click on load. Then select the center line type. Okay. Now here click on OK. Select this. Then change this to center line type. So something like this, you can change this to center. This line as center line. This center line scale you want to change. For that, the command is LTS. Line type scale command you can use, and you can change this to 0.5. Then you can see this in a better way. Line type scale also you can adjust like this. Okay. So any student gets any doubt at any point of time, immediately stop me and get it clarified. Okay. Don't keep your doubts in pending. Okay. As this is the direct experiment class, you just clarify your doubts time to time. So the center line part I have completed. Now I want to move from here to 0.4D distance. After that I want to move up to here. That means 2.5D by 2 distance I want to move. Okay. So this 0.4D, the distance is 0.4 into 30. That is 12. Here this distance is 12. The small distance is 12. Here to here you can take 12 distance. Then move in the downward direction. The downward direction, the distance is 2.5 into 30 divided by 2. That is 37.5. 37.5 distance you can move. Okay, and you can track this point like this. So this is called tracking. Okay, you can track the point with tape. Now you are getting this particular part. This part you have drawn now. Now here this part is only the solid line. Remaining this part is dashed line. So dashed line type also you have to load. Go to properties, go to line types, then click on load. Here you select dashed line you select. Okay. So here this small portion you have to draw as a you have to get as a different line. That's why go to trim command. Go to this trim command and erase this part and draw this line again like this. Then this is a separate piece and this is a separate piece. Now select this, go to properties and select the dash line. Then this will be turned as a dash line. Okay. So now this is the dash line, this part. After that, the same thing you have to get on the top side. The same part is there on the top side, this part. So that's why I have to get the same line, these two lines on the top side. So for that I can use the mirror command. Go to this modify panel, and here this is the mirror command. Select the mirror command. Select these two lines. Then type enter to select the. Then type enter to complete the select objects part. After that, it is asking to specify the first point of mirror line. This is the first point somewhere here. Then it is asking to specify the second point. Second point you can take anywhere on this line. Okay, these two you are getting here. You want to delete the source object yes or no means no. Okay, now this if you observe this particular view, this line is not necessary. That means this part is not necessary. You can go to trim command and you can erase this part. Okay, now you are getting this part. Now here we have to draw the Cotter. This Cotter part you have to draw that. That Cotter starts at a distance of 1.3D. Okay, 1.3 into 30. That value is 39. Okay, you just go to 39 distance from here. Go to 39 distance from here. Then draw a vertical line like this. Draw a vertical line like this. Now this Cotter length is 4D. This Cotter length is 4D. It means 4 into 30 means 120. 120 by 2 means 60. From the center you have to go to 60 top side and 60 bottom side. Okay. Now I will go to 60 from the center. From the center you just go to 60 distance like this. And the 60 distance bottom side. 60 bottom side like this. Now here you observe. In the center, this particular Cotter width is 1.3D. 1.3D means again 39. Okay, here at the center it is 39. Center it is 39 means that the top and bottom, what are its widths means that you have to calculate based on the slantness or slope of the Cotter. That slope of the Cotter standard slope is 1:30. So 1:30. Based on that, you have to calculate the width at the top and bottom. Okay. So slope is 1:30 means here you have to do the calculation like this. I will show the calculation here. Just I will write the formula and I will display here on the screen. You just observe. The formula is like this: h2 minus h1 by L equal to 1 by 30. So h2 is the top, h2 is the width here, h1 is the width here, this is the length. Okay, here h2 is not known to you. Here this width is not known to you, that is unknown. Minus h1 is known to you, that is 39. Divided by length. Length is known to you, that is 60. Equal to 1 by 30. Okay. So slope 1 by 30 equal to h2 minus h1 by L. That is the formula. So h2 value we have to calculate now. This is 2 times h2 minus 39 equal to 2. You will get h2 value is 39 plus 2. That is 41. Okay, this is the calculation I will show to you. Just observe the screen. All of you observe the screen. I am displaying the total formula. You just observe the screen. Okay. So this h2 value we have to find now. Okay, that h2 value you are getting as 41. Okay. So this already you have done in your machine drawing. Just I am showing that again. So now here you are getting this as 41. Go to line command. Here you draw this as 41. This is 39. Here you take this as 39. this is 39. Okay. Now you can extend that. Just draw a line. Use extend command. Use extend command and extend this like this, like this, like this. Then use the trim command to erase this excess part. Okay. So here you are getting this as 37. You are getting this as 37. So that means plus 2 you are adding. This is 39. This is 39. Here plus 2 you are adding. Here minus 2 you are subtracting. So here 2 you are adding and here 2 you are subtracting. So in this way you can get this slope of the Cotter based on the 1:30 standard slope of the Cotter. Okay. Next here, these two arcs you have to draw. For drawing these two arcs, you can use the 3-point arc. So here in arc, 3-point arc is there. So before going to 3-point arc, you just draw a small line like this. You can draw a small line like this here and here. At the midpoints, you can draw small lines. Then go to 3-point arc. Draw 3-point arc like this and like this. Now you can delete these lines. Something in this way, these two arcs you can draw here, here and here. Okay. Next, this portion is over. This portion, zigzag line you have to draw, and you have to do the hatching, and this 0.1 mm offset line also you have to draw. Okay. First to draw this 0.1 mm offset line. So for that, go to offset command. So this is the offset command. Okay. 0.1d. 0.1d means 0.1 into 30. That is 3. 0.1 into 30 means 3 mm you will get. Okay. Offset distance is 3. Select this line. Keep this side. Here select this line. Keep this side. So we get an offset line like this. Now again go to trim command. Unwanted portion you just trim like this. Here this portion you don't want. This portion you don't want. This portion is required. This is required as shown here. And this is also you require. This is also required, but this must be a dashed line. So that's why this will convert as a dashed line later. This is not required. This is not required. Okay, you can delete that. Next, this portion, this particular line, we have to convert as dashed line. Then go to properties, select dashed. That will be the dashed line. Then here to here, this is the dimension line. Just go to dimensions, add the dimension line like this. If the dimension is also not that visible. So dimensions, for dimensions we will create a layer. So go to layer properties. I'll keep all the dimensions in a different layer. Add a new layer. Call this as dim. In dimensions, add a different color. I'll add some color as green. Okay. Okay. Now here, this particular dimension you change to this dim layer. Dimension you change to dim layer, then go to annotated dimension style also you just change. You can modify fit to double this. Okay, something like this you can change the dimension. So that is 3. So this 0.1d is 3. Okay. Next, this is 4d. That also I'll add the dimension. Also I'll add here. This is 4d means 120. This also you can change layer. to dim layer. This dimension node position also I'll change to this place. Okay, this is 120. Okay, this portion is over. Now this portion here and here I have to apply hatching. Here also I have to maintain some offset. For this also I have to maintain offset 0.1. That means 3 mm. Go to again offset command. Offset distance is 3. Select this length. Go to 2. And this portion I don't want. This portion I want. Here I don't want. Here I don't want. Here I want. Here I don't want. Something like this. I have to draw this. This is the dashed line. Go to properties. This is dashed. Okay. Okay. Next here and here you have to draw this spline curves. So go to spline curve. Use spline curve command. Just draw a spline like this. Turn this off. Auto off. And zoom this. Something in this way. This is somewhere here. Something like this. You can draw a spline curve this here and here also. You take this spline curve again. Take the spline this side. Okay. Now I will apply the mirror and take the remaining portion. After that I will go for finally this hatching. So this portion also I will complete. This is completed. This part I have to complete. Okay, from the center this is D. Somewhere here this D means ortho on 15 top side. Same thing on the bottom side. Same part I have to take on the bottom side. Go to mirror command now. Okay. Now this part is ready. Now this pipe symbol I have to draw here. For that again I will go for spline command. Go to this spline command. I have to draw like this. Of the ortho. I have to draw like this. Using this spline curve. Now you erase this line. Now this part is over completely. So here we have to apply small fillets. Go to fillet command. Go to fillet. Select this. Select radius. Go to fillet. Radius. Radius you select some 5. Select this and this. Environment 5 fillet is not possible there. You just check the distance here. Check the distance. Distance is 4.5. So 5 fillet is not possible. We can go for 4 fillet. Okay. Take the fillet command. Go to radius. Enter the distances. Fillet radius is 4. Now you select here and here. You can get fillet like this. Now again draw one more line. And go to fillet. Like this you can draw. And draw one line. Now this part is over. Okay. Part is over. Okay. Here also you can make a small fillet of radius 3. Radius 3. Here also you can apply same fillet radius 3. Okay. So something in this way you can complete half of the portion. Now you have to save it. Time to time you better save your drawing. Go to save. And here while you are saving the drawing, suppose in the desktop I am saving. How to save it? You save with your register number. 3171265200001 underscore Cotter joint. Something in this way to save your file. Test number followed by experiment name. Okay. Next. Here also some unnecessary portion is there. We can trim this. Okay. Now half of the portion is over. Now to get the another half, you just go to mirror command. Mirror, select this and select this as the mirror line. That's all. The other portion is now ready. Okay. Here dimensions are not required again. Now you start applying the dimension. Hatching you have to apply this. Hatching you have to apply. For that, go to hatch command. This is the hatch command. And hatching pattern you have to select. So these are different patterns are available. Hatch patterns. Different hatch patterns are available. So I'll go for ANSI 31. That means part per degree angle lines. 31. And here pick point option is there. You just go to pick point option. And here I want to apply same type of hatching. Okay. So here, these 4 places, I want to apply same type of hatching. On the sleeve side, I want to get a different kind of hatching. Okay, on the sleeve. So that's why again go to hatch command. Again go to hatch command. So here hatching scale you can increase. See? Hatching scale. This you can double now. And you can increase and select this point. These 3 points you can select. Okay. So hatching scale I have increased this 2 times. Or otherwise you can increase this to 1.5 times. Something in this way you can increase the hatching scale. Okay, that is about hatching. Hatching is also we have applied. Now start applying the dimensions. This part is 30. This dimension is 38.5. Change this to layer to dim layer. Okay, now change to dim layer. Now I want to keep this dim layer as current layer, such that whatever dimension I am applying, that directly goes to this dim layer. Observe here, that is directly going to the dim layer. Here to here. This dimension is 30. Okay, 39. Next to this particular inclined dimension. For that you go to align, and this one and this one. Aligned dimension. This is 3, and then 3 total is 8. Align dimension is 3. This align dimension is 3. Okay, next total is this total dimension is 240. Okay, pan it. Okay, so this particular view is completed. This view is completed. Now we will go for the bottom view. This bottom view. So for that, simply what you can do is you just go to layer, to the layer and lock this layer, lock this dim layer. Okay, but temporarily you can hide also. Temporarily you can hide this also. So temporarily I'm hiding, and go to copy command. Go to copy command and copy this portion. Using the box method, you can copy this portion. Only this portion is selected. That is the advantage of box. Okay. Now you can change that to the. You can transfer that to top view like this. Okay. Now you can use the center line. Center line you can extend. This hatching portions you can delete. This hatching part you can delete. Hatch part you can delete. You can also copy this entire portion like this. Go to copy command. Copy this entire portion. Copy this entire portion, including the center line. Copy this entire portion. Auto on. Keep auto on. Okay. Now in the top view, you can delete these hatches. You can delete. Hatch portion, all these lines you can delete. So here this is the complete solid line. So that's why extend this complete line, solid line. So this part is over. Next here to here. Okay. Here you have to draw a spline curve. So draw a spline curve. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Okay. Draw a spline curve like this with the center part. Draw a spline curve like this. From here you can draw a spline curve at the half. You can draw a spline curve. Zoom it. Okay. Why it is not visible means, observe this is in dim layer and it is locked, that's why we can't draw. And this is turned off also. You just change this to 0 layer. Okay, now go to spline command. Now you can draw. These zoom pan commands are transparent commands. That means while using this spline command, I can go to pan command, I can use the pan command, and I can come back from the pan command and I can continue this spline command. So that's why this pan command, zoom command are called as transparent commands. Okay. This way, just I am drawing this section part using this spline command, and here you can apply hatching. This top portion, this bottom portion, you can apply hatching. Go to hatch command. Here and here, you can apply hatching. Observe how easy it is to apply hatching. After that, these Cotter portions we have to draw. So that's why from the front view, I'll take the reference for the Cotter. I'll draw here to here one rough line. Now I'll go to move command. I'll select this line using the box method. Observe, I can select only this line. I'm not selecting other lines and hatching because I'm going for box. Then I'll go to this particular point as my reference point, base point. Then I'll take this as my destination point. Now you can see I'm getting the 39 length here. Okay, after that this width is 0.3D. So 0.3 times of d means that will be 9. So I'll take 4.5 mm on top side, and this is now 39. This is I'll take as 9. This is 39. This is 4.5 mm again. Something in this portion I have completed. After that, complete this arcs. Draw these arcs using the 3-point arc command. Okay, by taking some rough distance like this. Like this. Next, copy the same arc to some distance like this and draw a line. Here also, this must be dashed. This must be dashed. Here also copy this too. Or draw a small arc, another arc. Draw a small another arc like this. Like this. This is one arc, this is another arc. Like this. You can draw two arcs. So something like this. You can complete this part. Same thing you can mirror to the other side. Actually, this must be 39. This must be 39. So 39 distance. You have to keep here. Remaining excess distance, you have to draw arcs. This arc must be somewhere here. Okay, this arc must be somewhere here. This excess portion you can remove. Go to trim command and these excess portions you can trim. These excess portions you can trim like this. Okay, go to extend command. Extend this like this. Okay. Something in this way you can draw this. This must be in the trim layer. In the trim layer. Now mirror this. Go to mirror command, select this. Go to mirror command, select this and take the mirror image of it. On the other side also you will get the same thing. Here you have to apply hatching. Go to hatch command, apply hatching here. You can use Ctrl+1 also for changing the hatch properties. Hatching scale you can decrease to 1. Ctrl+1 also you can use. No, scale is decreased. Okay. Zoom extend you can use to display the total drawing in this drawing into your screen. Zoom extend you can use. Now again turn on the layer. Turn on this layer, unlock this layer, go to zero layer as default layer. Now you can check all the dimensions are also there. Dimensions are all displayed. Okay, total drawing is completed. So within 50 minutes time, total drawing is completed. So in this way, you can complete the card drawing. After that, now I'll explain how to take a printout of it. Okay, for that you just go to this menu browser. Here, plot option will be there. I'll just increase the size of the screen. Now this reference is not required. That's why I'll just increase the size of the screen. Okay, now go to menu browser. Then go to print. Okay. Go to plot. Go to first. Go to plot preview. Go to plot preview. So first we'll see set out the print page setup. I'll go to plot. After that I'll see the plot preview. Go to plot. Here BWS to PDF. PDF, JPG, different. Plotter is not there. Plotter is not there. That's why I'm selecting PDF option. AutoCAD to PDF I'll select. Okay. Here display, extends, limits, window. Different options are there. What to plot. Here in what to plot, I'll take the window. I'll go for window option, and here I'll select the window as from here to here. Okay. Now you can see the preview. The page setup we have to change. Change the page setup. Setup page. Here I will go for landscape mode. Then again go for window. Now this total window is selected. Okay. Total screen is selected. Okay. This is the landscape mode. Now see the preview. Now it is okay. Okay. Here some portion is not there. There is a problem with selection. Again go to window. Something like this you select. This is landscape window. Now you see the AutoCAD to PDF. Now see the preview. Okay, something like this you will get the printout. The printer is there. You will get the printout. You can change the page properties also. What type of settings? Device setting. Printer is there. You will get all these settings properly. Okay. Now you can see the plot preview. Plot preview is still not available. Directly you can go for print. In this way you just take the printout. Okay. So that printout you have to add in your record. So here, before taking the printout, all of you add your name and register number. The title of the drawing, name, register number, all of you add like this. This is the name of the file. This much height is not required. Control 1 and set the height to 16 is there. You just make it as some 12. 12 is sufficient. Okay. Now you copy this, paste it here and here, paste it here and here. Go to ED command, ED for entering the text. Enter your name. Here you enter your name. Here your number, register number. Register number you have to enter. Okay, something in this way, total drawing you have to complete. Front view, top view, name you have to write, register number you have to write. This thing you have to print. Okay, that printed file you have to add in the record. By next week, all of you completed Cotter joint and knuckle joint and submit the record at the end. So whenever we want to see the record, you can submit. All of you be ready with the record. You have to complete 2 experiments. Whatever experiment I have done today, that is Cotter joint, and in the same way you have to do the knuckle joint. Knuckle joint video tutorial is also available. All of you go through that and do the experiment. Okay, anybody have any doubts, you can clarify. So during your classwork also you can ask the doubts related to lab and you can clarify. You don't get any doubts because you can go through the tutorial. Tutorial is clearly available. You can go through it and you can complete the experiment. Okay, this tutorial also I will upload to you. This will be available in the website and you can go through that. And another thing is, so all of you complete 2 experiments. And important thing is, anybody is not having the facility to complete the experiments at your home, you can come to the college and you can complete it in the CAD lab. Okay, in CAD lab, technician Santosh will be available. He will help you if you have any doubt. Okay, by next week, all of you complete the experiments, 2 experiments, 2 AutoCAD experiments. Anybody have any doubts? Now you can clarify. Any doubts, please respond and clarify your doubts. Those who are not having any doubts, they can log out. Already it is 2:58. So within 1 hour, we have successfully completed the experiment. So within 1 hour, you can also complete the same experiment as I have done here. So all of you do the practice. Practice makes. Anyone respond? Practice makes everybody perfect. Okay. Any doubts? Knuckle joint and Cotter joint, both you have to write in record. Okay, knuckle joint and Cotter joint you have to write in record. Go through the manual. Okay, here I'll show the link. You just observe the website link. So this is the website link. You just go to CAD lab. So here lab manual is available. Here lab manual is available. You just go to this Cotter joint procedure. This part you complete, and knuckle joint also you complete. These 2 experiments you have to write in your record. Okay. After completing this, instead of this particular aim procedure, all that you have to write, instead of this particular diagram, you have to take the printout of your own experiment, and you have to place that printout. Okay, no need to draw this pencil sketch. Pencil sketches are not required. You can directly write the, you can directly keep the printout. Okay, and simultaneously you just write the observation also. In the observation, what you have to do is you just write the aim and rough procedure and precautions. That's the result. Actual procedure is not required. Just to make some important points of procedure while you are doing the experiment. So that is the observation. So observation and record both you have to maintain. Okay. So already 3. Those who are not having doubts, they can log out. Anybody have any doubts, you can respond and you can clarify your doubts. So I will stop this presentation and I will stop the recording. Anybody have any doubt?
Sir, we don't have any records, sir.
You?
Records and observations
Don't have any records.
Record and observations?
కాలేజ్ కి రాలేదు కదా సార్ ఎవరు ఉండడానికి మా దగ్గర.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు?
Okay, record also you have to complete, but you do one thing. Actually, students are informed all the students to complete the records also, but I'll again inform you. Okay, I'll again inform you. I'll give you a message in the Google Class. Whether you have to write the record in the actual record or you can use A4 size sheet, that I'll inform. After that, you can start writing the record. But in the meantime, you complete the experiments. Okay. In the meantime, you complete the experiments and be ready with the drawing and print out. Okay. Is it clear? About the record, I'll inform again. In the meantime, all of you complete the experiment. Be ready with the printout. Okay? Is it clear?